In 1949, Estes Services began serving Atlanta with heating and cooling solutions built on integrity, expertise, and customer care. What started as a small family-owned business has grown into a trusted leader in commercial HVAC services. Today, we continue that tradition with a clear purpose: to help businesses operate more efficiently, safely, and sustainably. We provide end-to-end lifecycle solutions tailored to your building's needs so you can focus on what matters most: running your business with confidence. With Estes Commercial Services, we know every facility is unique. We bring proven expertise and innovative solutions to meet complex challenges. We look beyond a single piece of equipment. Instead, we consider how heat, cooling, and indoor air quality systems work together to create healthier, more productive environments. By leveraging advanced technology, automation, and proactive maintenance, we help extend equipment life, reduce downtime, and provide greater visibility into your building's performance. We're not just keeping up with industry change. We're driving it forward to help Metro Atlanta businesses meet today's demands and prepare for tomorrow. We are Estes Commercial Services, your partner in creating smarter, healthier, and more sustainable buildings.